Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. Today is somewhat very special to me. It is my third year anniversary as an attorney. And so, yes, it feels very, very good. And, I wanted to do something a little different. So, we're ready to go. Now, for all of those people, I know everybody has been following this. Okay, let's keep it 100. And it is the reversal of Roe v. Wade. This is a hot topic. And let me explain to you all what the law does. If I want to rule in your favor, I will find a word in the law to interpret that you are guaranteed a protection, even if the document, i.e. the Constitution, is silent. But what we can do is infer that existence or protection from what? How we want to rule. Now, traditionally and historically, the states make laws about their citizens. That's what they do. However, under the 14th Amendment, and think about the 14th Amendment as a tunnel, okay? Is a tunnel. There's certain rights that are guaranteed to you from this tunnel called the 14th Amendment that connects to the Constitution and the Bill of Rights. So it's a tunnel. So the 14th Amendment, so give you background. So many states were basically outlawing abortion. They said it was illegal, etc., etc. At that time, when Roe v. Wade was decided, I want to say back in 1973, you had more of a liberal component of a court. And there was a lot to say about people getting abortions in back alleys, etc. It was a hot topic. So, opposed to some states saying, yeah, you could do it, no, you can't, the Supreme Court decided under Roe v. Wade that a woman's right to choose was a personal liberty that was protected by the 14th Amendment. The 14th Amendment is a tunnel that leads to all 50 states. Okay, so if it's something that is protected under the 14th Amendment, it applies to all the states. Now, what did I tell you? It's the political climate. It's the interpretation. If I want to do it, I'm going to find a way. I'm going to say it's that woman's right to choose her body, whatever. That's a personal liberty. But if I don't want that, then guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to find a way to get around that. And what are we talking about? Very, very simple. Now, recently, the court, under this leaked memo, we don't know if, really exists or whatever, it's saying now, if it's not in the Constitution, it don't apply. If it don't say abortion, it don't apply. Huh? So now the court has said, forget inferring it from personal liberty. That word abortion got to be in the Constitution. Well, we know it's not. And as a result, well, guess what? Tunnel shut off. It doesn't apply to the 50 states. Mississippi, you do what you want to do in regard to if you allow it, how long do you have to do it? Michigan, you decide. Somebody else, that's all on y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's legal, but the qualifications will be left to the state. That makes it very, very challenging. Why? Because what do we know? We know that women or young people or women, whatever, females who may get pregnant, and especially younger women that may be in Mississippi where they're saying now it's 14 weeks, period. That's it. It got to go. Anything after that, or 15, anything after that, you can't do it. It is a crime. Not only is it a crime, but if we find out that a facility is performing it, we're going to charge them too. So basically what happens is that you're going to have states such as Michigan, DC, California, who have already provided laws that give women protection up until 24 weeks like it was. And, I'm not here to debate, whether a woman should do that or not. You know what I'm saying? I'm 58 years old, but I was 15 at one time. I was 16. My point being to you, when you're younger, you may do things that are basically irresponsible. We all know it, the ladies and the men, the excuses many men may give to not having proper contraceptive, et cetera, et cetera. And it's the heat of the moment, it's not going to last long. And you can blow on some women, they get pregnant, boom, they pregnant. Wouldn't it be wonderful if all pregnancies were the result of love? That would be, yeah, they're not. Some pregnancies are due to failure to use protection. Some are due to rape. Some are due to incest. So there are a number of categories. The fact that a person has sex don't mean that they want no baby. But that's going to happen. Just like if you drinking and driving, you could kill somebody. But if it don't happen, you go out there and taking your chance to do it. So now what we did is when Judge Ginsburg, when she left, baby, Donald Trump put somebody in there. Automatically, Amy. And what did that do? These are people that have the same conservative ideology as many Republicans do, or many very conservative Republicans do. Samuel Alito, Clarence Thomas, Amy Coney Barrett, Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh, and Justice John Roberts. Now, it's easy. It is so easy. I love it when others can comment on what you should do. I mean, I got a law degree. I could easily say everybody should go to law school or graduate from college, and that's not the reality. Okay. This is going to be a hot topic. Why? You have Republicans that believe in the right for a woman to choose to do what she wants to do with her body as far as the termination of the abortion. So now this is a hot topic, baby. But the problem in what they've indicated in the research, medical research, is the group that will suffer the most are African American women. That they're already the greatest portion of society that does not have access to the contraceptive. And now that they have abortions. But remember, we are the second largest minority. We're the first largest minority. Only thing, the majority are white women. Okay, they're white women, white young girls. But this is what we're finding statistically. What the medical society says is going to lead to death. It's going to lead to more deaths of women who they gonna figure it out a way. And that's dangerous. That's dangerous for society to say that if you engage in sexual activity and you get pregnant, I have the right to say, no, you cannot have an abortion. And if it leads to my death, who's responsible? Well, you are, because you're the one that engaged in sex. No, you took away a potential option. Now, I'm not saying that abortion should be used when, oh, well, okay, I'm going to be lazy. Okay, but let me tell you what's going to happen next. You ready? Okay, we got this case overruling Roe v. Wade. Next, I'm going to guarantee you this. They're going to rule in regard to contraceptives. What does that mean? Right now, federally, a woman has the right to choose in regard to her body. And if an insurance company has to provide access to certain contraceptives that a woman may be able to buy with a copay, et cetera, et cetera. Next, let me tell you what they're going to say. No, you can't get contraceptives now. So wait a minute, you saying I can't protect myself against an unwanted pregnancy. And if I did get pregnant, now you got abortion gone, you got abortion and contraceptive gone. Go, see you, bye. Stay tuned. I want to talk more about that. And I want to hear what you got to say. We'll be back.